Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the fundamentals. Plug the charger into a known good outlet and use a different device to confirm there's power. Then, swap the cable with a certified spare. Cables fail more than chargers. Check the charger's label for output voltage and current because mismatched V or low M explains slow charging. Once that's done, disconnect any power-hungry apps or services on the device so charging measurements are accurate. This first step separates source problems from device problems. Now you dig into the device. Power it off, then visually inspect and clean the charging port. Compressed air or a soft brush removes lint that causes partial contact. Reconnect using the original charger, then try a known fast charger to compare charge rates. Differences point to a bad cable or adapter versus a failing port. While charging, monitor current and temperature. If the device gets hot, the battery management limits current and slows charging, which tells you whether to proceed to repairs. To finish, replace the failed component. Cable first, then adapter, then the device port if tests showed poor contact. Make sure the device firmware is current because charging profiles can be improved by updates. Perform a battery calibration if readings are off. After swaps and software fixes, retest charge speed under controlled conditions. If the problem persists, assume internal battery or power ike failure. Contact service for battery replacement or board-level repair. One tip: if charging still slow, try safe mode to rule out apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.